Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the fastest way to make passive income in 2025, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll be sharing the best passive income ideas that require little to no investment and can generate money while you sleep. I'll cover the easiest ways to start passive income streams, how much you can realistically earn, step-by-step strategies to get started today. And don't forget to stick around till the end, where I'll reveal the #1 fastest method to make passive income this year. Let's dive in. Why passive income is more important than ever. In 2025, having just one source of income is not enough. With rising costs and economic uncertainty, building multiple income streams is key to financial freedom. The best part? You can create passive income streams that continue making money even when you're not actively working. So let's break down the fastest ways to start earning passive income in 2025. 1. YouTube automation. Make money without showing your face. Earning potential, $1,000, $50,000 a month. YouTube is one of the most profitable passive income sources. The best part? You don't need to be on camera. Here's how YouTube automation works. Choose a niche: finance, luxury, tech, motivation. Hire a scriptwriter, voiceover artist, and video editor. Upload videos consistently and monetize through YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. Once your videos start getting views, the income becomes passive as old videos keep earning money. Some faceless channels make over $50,000 a month without creating their own content. 2. Selling digital products. Earning potential, $500, $20,000 a month. Digital products are the fastest way to make passive income with low effort. Unlike physical products, you only need to create them once and sell them unlimited times. Best digital product ideas for 2025. Ebooks. Guides on fitness, business, or investing. Online courses teach skills like graphic design, coding, or drop shipping. Printables, planners, templates, digital art. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, and Etsy make it easy to start selling digital products today. 3. Affiliate marketing. Earn commissions on autopilot. Earning potential, $500, $100,000 a month. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest passive income methods. You don't need to create products. Just promote other people's products and earn commissions. Here's how it works. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Share a Sale. Promote products through YouTube, Instagram, blogs, or TikTok. Earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. Pro tip: focus on high-ticket affiliate programs that pay $100 per sale for maximum earnings. 4. Print-on-demand business. Earning potential, $1,000, $10,000 a month. Print-on-demand, POD, lets you sell custom t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and phone cases without handling inventory. Here's how you can start a passive income POD business. Create designs or hire a designer. Upload to platforms like Printful, Redbubble, or Teespring. When someone orders, the company prints and ships the product for you. Since you don't have to manage inventory, this business can generate passive income for years. 5. Investing in dividend stocks. Earning potential, $100, $5,000 a month depending on investment. Dividend stocks are the most traditional form of passive income. You buy shares of companies that pay dividends, and every quarter or month, you get paid. Best high dividend stocks for 2025. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. Blue chip stocks like Apple, Microsoft, and Coca-Cola. ETFs like SCHD or VYM. If you invest $10,000 in dividend stocks with a 5% yield, you'll make $500 per year in completely passive income. The fastest way to make passive income in 2025. Out of all these methods, the fastest way to make passive income is YouTube automation plus affiliate marketing. Why? YouTube videos generate views and income for years. Affiliate links and video descriptions keep earning commissions. No need to show your face or create your own product. If you start today, you could be making $10,000 a month in just a few months. Common mistakes to avoid. Before you start, avoid these common mistakes. Expecting results overnight. Passive income takes time to build. Choosing the wrong niche. Focus on profitable markets. Giving up too soon. Consistency is key. There you have it. The fastest ways to make passive income in 2025. Whether it's YouTube automation, digital products, or investing, the key is to start now. If you found this video helpful, Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more money-making tips. Which method are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. See you in the next video.